Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Yeah, we're doing cooking. We're out here working. I'm on vacation, and so we're gonna grill up some burgers. First, we got to go in and mix them up. But yeah, we're gonna do some grilling and work out here in the shop at the same time. So y'all hang out, and we'll get to cooking. All right, y'all. Uh, we're gonna put burgers on the grill today for that's what we're cooking because I'm on vacation and that's what I want to do. So we're gonna start out. Got 2 pounds of extremely lean hamburger. This was a custom butchered beef my nephew had done, and it's like 95%, 98% lean. Really good for making spaghettis and all that kind of stuff because it's not real greasy, but not real good for making burgers and stuff because they get dry. So we got a little bit of bacon fat here, little chunks of bacon in there too. So we're going to add that in to get our moisture. And for seasoning, we're going to use a Weber, the Burger Infusion. This one is the Roadhouse. I really like this one. This is a really good one. So dump that in there, and then we're going to get our phalanges in here and just mix it up. So this one chunk's still kind of a little bit frozen, but it'll be alright. Just get in there and get that all mixed in there, get all that seasoning all mixed up in there. Make sure we get all that bacon mixed in through there really good. The bacon just adds a little extra smoky flavor to it. So man, them Weber Burger Infusion packets, they really, they make it smell delicious right now. If this wasn't raw burger, I'd be taking a bite. So alright, got it pretty well mixed in there. Now I'm going to let it sit for a couple hours probably in the fridge and let that flavoring kind of get in there. And we're going to put, like I said, put it back in the fridge, let it sit, let them spices and stuff rehydrate and get mixed in with the beef, and we'll make some patties. We'll take them out, toss them on the old grill. So y'all hang out, we'll be back. Alright y'all, it's been a little while. I actually got sidetracked, so we're going to make these into patties now. So kind of get them packed together there. Just work them into a patty. Alright, there's that one. We're going to make probably 6 of them, something like that. 6 or 8. But tossing back and forth kind of compacts it and gets all the air out of it. Kind of helps it stick better. So, alright. I'm going to finish making these into patties. We'll take them out and get them on the grill. Alright y'all, got these on the old grill, about 250 degrees. We're going to cook them till they're done. I don't know how long it's going to take, but it'll take as long as it takes. So we'll get her done and bring y'all back here after we get a little cooking done. Alright, y'all. Been a few minutes. Oh, they're cooking up nicely. They smell delicious. Oh yeah. Look at them. We're going to switch hands. We're going to do these over here. This part of the grill over here is not quite as hot. See? So, oh yeah. Low and slow, y'all. We are going to turn this side up just a little bit. This one over here. So, alright. Let them cook for a little bit longer and they'll be done. Alrighty, y'all. I think these ones over here are done, so we're going to toss them over on this side, which is the cooler side. Sorry about the shaky camera. We're going to move these over here onto the hot side. Oop. I'm going to give them a few minutes. I'm sure they're cooked all the way through, but we'll leave those sit over on the cool side and finish cooking these ones up, and then we'll eat. So this will probably be the last update until we make our sandwiches and do the taste test. So y'all be right back. Alright, y'all. We got our burgers off the grill there. And the only topping I'm going to put on it is I'm going to put some Swiss cheese on them. So we're going to make 2 of them because we're hungry. It's actually supper time, and I ate breakfast at like 5:30 this morning. Haven't eaten all day, so we're having 2 of them. So, alright. Here we go. Let's do our taste test now. Alright, y'all. Got the burger all made up. We're back out here in the shop because we got more work to do. So, there's our shop food burger. Yum. Got that Swiss cheese on there, so let's go ahead and do our little taste test. Sorry about that, y'all. That was a pretty big bite, but yeah, that bacon in there, that makes it nice and juicy and moist, and I really like those seasoning packs from Weber. I've had them for a couple years now. Buy them every spring. It's great. Mix it up. You can mix it up the night before and let it sit in the fridge. If you're going to have a cookout or whatever, let that flavor get in there. So, there you have it. Shop cooking. Hey, burgers on the grill. So, I know it's not nothing special, but little tips there for the flavoring and the bacon in there to make and it works just with regular burgers too. Get you some really cheap bacon that's really fatty. Chop that up, small pieces, and mix it in with your burgers. It gives you the smoky flavor and keeps them good and moist. So, alright, y'all, that's going to be it. Hope like, comment, subscribe, and as always, bon appetit.